Welcome back to Scottish Drone Services, and we've reached Sconser. This is where the ferry will take us over to the Isle of Raasay. Just to show you behind, ferry's not here at the moment, but it will come in here and then it will take us out there. There's a green marker, I'm not sure if you can see that, beyond the next pontoon, and then it will take a left turn and it's going to head around this little bit of land, and then I think it's got about 5 nautical miles further on from there. We're going to head over there on the 9:25, which leaves here in about 20 minutes time, so we'll be on the Isle of Raasay, and then at 10:25 the screen machine is going to be departing from here, and we will be flying the drone back in this direction from Raasay to capture its crossing and then its arrival on the Isle. We're just approaching the Isle of Raasay, as you can see behind me, the pier there, and we're just going to head out to where the blue boat is and jump right. And basically this is the entire population of Raasay. Just behind me there, Raasay House, and then panning round, it's a population of about 150 people. We're going to be heading just over there, just along there in fact. You may be able to see those two white houses. There's a village hall there, a wooden building, and that's where the mobile cinema is going to set up. So we're just going to jump off now at this end, get ourselves set up, just to wait basically for this ferry to go back and then come back over with the screen machine on. It's a lovely backdrop, as you can see, so it should look great.